waiting one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe, my darling people. I see one video for YouTube, Nana, my darling people. So do you get the cry? Say he don't know whether they want me how. He don't know. He say Italian people, what they doing? He say they want try, make they can't give her injection and be more than list the way she dey talk and try.
No, what do I want to kill me go no? Because you give me documents since last year June. No, don't pay me any money again. Next thing I don't do for me, passport I don't do for me. The next thing now they call police, they call ambulance for me.
He say supposedly they give am documents since June. He say all those kind of things for not dey happen. He say make we share the video, make the video go viral. She say he no know wetin she do wey be say that they treat her like this, that they call ambulance for her, that they do so many things. He no know wetin she really do.
When they call police, they call ambulance for me. Men I sit there, Italy, men I come sit there, they want keep belly me, they want keep belly me for Italy, they want keep belly me for Italy, men I check this.
He said they want kill her enemy for Italy, they want kill her enemy for Italy. He no know wetin he do, he no know wetin he do.
They want keep belly me for Italy, they want keep me, they want keep me, they want keep me for Italy, men I check this video, men I check this video, men I check now, men I check now.
She said they want kill her, they want kill her, he no know wetin he do, he no know wetin he do. He said they want kill her. Wetin this our sister can't do? Now me I don't understand, really. I don't really understand. She dey cry and police dey there because the way the video be, I no go fit just put the video like that. So my darling people, I no go fit put the video like that. But more una watch the video really makes sense. Una go learn one or two things from this side, you understand? He said they want kill her for Italy, they want kill her for Italy, make they come rescue her, make they come rescue her, he no know wetin do. So my people, I don't really understand. He said the more I just the list. Now wow.
They don't do accident for me, they don't do passport for me. They don't carry me gospel, nothing. They don't carry me gospel. Men I sit there, men I sit there, men I sit there, men I get this video, men I get this video, men I get
He said maybe we share the video. He said they want kill her, police dey there. He said that they want to give her a medicine or for a Chris people. They want beg anybody wey know this our sister for Italy, make it go help am because this our sister really need help right now. The way me they look the whole matter now, she need help right now. So anybody wey dey Italy wanna go help this our sister because we not really know wetin dey happen. Please, anybody wey see this video, help me to share this video. Let the video go viral, please, because this our sister really need help. Police did there. All of them did there.
no, leave me alone. You want to collect my phone for me? Do you want to collect my phone? Okay.
He said they want to collect her phone from Mamu. They want to collect her phone though. Me, I know that.
Do you want to collect my phone? No. Are you the one buying for me? Are you the one buying the phone for me? Your phone. Okay, don't touch my phone. I'm afraid don't touch my phone.
He said they want to collect her phone from Mamu. They want to collect her phone. Oh. So the girl, he said they want to remember her. She dey cry, you know. So anybody wey dey Italy, Mona try, Mona help this our sister. She need help right now. She need help. What's on the happen?
Brad for me, oh. Men I share this video. Men I share this video. For Iberia. For Iberia. They want give me,
He said they want me how, they want me how, you don't know what he do. So anybody where they Italy, Mona try, Mona help this our sister. Mona try, Mona help this our sister. She need help. The way me I they look the whole thing now, I don't really know what they do to her. He said because they want give her medicine of Chris people. They want make her they want make her a run mad. So they cry for the whole world. May they come rescue her, may they come help her. You see, because this matter now don't pass Jeremy, you know. So this our sister. I beg anybody where they Italy, make it try, make it go help her. Before we call the year another thing for her body. And she don't already cry, come out now. May we try, may we help her situation.
on me. Me.
He said they want call blast. He said any small thing, they will call blast for her. Any small thing, they will call ambulance for her. You know, so the way she did, maybe not the way she did do. You know, even ambulance did there now. Even ambulance sit down near her. All of them sit down. All of them they around there. They talk to her. You know, so that's they want to give her psychiatric. Medicine and all know. So anybody wey see this video, make it share am. The way me I dey look the whole thing, I dey look am maybe not the way she dey shout so because as they come see am now, even police dey there, ambulance dey there. See all of them now just dey there.
Men I see wetin they do me for Italy, oh. Men I see wetin they do me, oh. Men I go sit there, oh. Men I see wetin they do me, oh. That they oppress me, oh. That they oppress me, oh. For Italy, oh. That they oppress me for Italy, oh. That they oppress me for Italy, oh. That they oppress me, oh. That they oppress me, oh. If I got them.
Instead of they oppress her for Italy, oh. They want me how. They want me how. So my darling people, I don't really just to understand their situation right now because when she just the shot now, they want kill me, oh, they want kill me, oh, you know. So she don't really just go straight to the main thing. So anybody who see this video, help me to share it. Maybe if she see the video, she'll come explain herself. You understand? Because I don't really know her problem. I don't know her situation right now. So anybody who see this video, help me share it. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Until I come your way next time again. Anything what you think about this video, just leave your comment for the comment section. Bye.